Hello everyone, this is Surbi Goyal. I'm pursuing BBLLB from Bharati Vidyapeeth University, and today's topic is how to legally deal with a phone call harassment. So, the present generation is often targeted by unwanted and harassing phone calls where one person abuses, threatens, or hurts the dignity of the other. The fact becomes more serious because the person on the other side of the phone call is completely unknown. Such calls come under the purview of criminal offense in India. Hence, they must be reported to the concerned authority as early as possible. According to a report published by Truecaller in 2020, almost 8 out of 10 women in India receive harassment and inappropriate sexual phone calls at least once a week. The cities that mostly face these issues are Chennai, Kolkata, New Delhi, and Pune. Indian women have the tendency of sharing their contact numbers quite frequently in shopping malls, restaurants, stores, or while filing any forms. However, when it comes to taking actions against such calls, it is seen that only 12% of women reported it to police and the rest have just blocked the number. Blank calls also amount to the harassment. Such calls are mostly anonymously made with the sole purpose of harassing and threatening the person. According to the police sources, after 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000, that is punishment for the sending offensive messages through communication service etc. was struck down by the Supreme Court in the year 2015. Cases relating to phone call harassment increased immensely. In one of the cases, a college student repeatedly received obscene messages and phone calls from an unknown number. The police later found out that the number belonged to one of her classmates. As per survey, in most of the cases, the caller was someone known to the victim. Now, how to identify a harassment phone call? All unwanted phone calls do not come within the purview of harassment. The factors that are required for an unwanted phone call to become a harassing one are as follows. Caller's intention to harass or threaten you by continually ringing the call, making indecent or obscene comments, suggestions, proposals, or requests, not disclosing his or her identity but continuing the conversation, abusing or making derogatory remarks over telephone, or remaining silent, playing intimidating music, or breathing heavily with the intention of harassing. Effects of harassment calls on women. So, in 2019, Truecaller conducted a survey on 2,150 women aged between 15 to 35 years from 14 different cities. According to the findings, nearly 4 out of every 5 women said that they felt irritation and anger due to these harassment calls. 1 out of every 3 women said that such calls affected them mentally and they felt frightened, worried, and troubled. Further, the affected numbers keeps on increasing every year, indicating that more women are getting affected due to such calls. So, what are the remedies in India for this? The first step that the victim must take against the phone call harassment is to inform the police and lodge a complaint in the gender diary. The gender of the caller, his voice tone, date and time of the phone call, the conversation details and the estimated age of the caller can be noted by the victim as evidence to help the police in identifying the offender. If the harassment on phone calls continues for a long span of time, then the victim must file an FIR. In India, the provisions under which the harasser can be charged are as follows. First, Section 354A of IPC. Under this section, any person requesting sexual favors or making sexually colored remarks shall be guilty for the offence of sexual harassment, punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years or fine, or both. Next, Section 354D of IPC. According to this section, if a person constantly contacts a woman for initiating personal interaction in spite of her disinterest, then he will be punished with an imprisonment of 3 years and fine. Section 506 of IPC. According to this section, any person committing the offence of criminal intimidation shall be punished with an imprisonment of up to 7 years and or fine. Section 507 of Indian Penal Code says that if any person tries to threaten or intimidate a woman through anonymous communications, then he will be punished with an imprisonment of 2 years in addition to the punishment provided in Section 506 of IPC. Section 509 of IPC. According to this section, if a person insults your modesty over a phone call, then he will be liable to be punished with imprisonment up to 1 year and fine. Women helpline number. There are various helpline number, but I want to share some of with you. 181, 1091 and 100. We know this about. So, what is the position of this in other countries? The Federal Communities Act, specifically 47 US Code 223 and several state laws prohibit harassments over calls and specifies the legal remedies and enforcement mechanisms. In California, Penal Code 653M PC prohibits phone calls and messages. They are obscene, repeated or threatening and made with an intention of harassing the recipient. Such offences are punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months and with a fine up to $1,000. In Canada, Section 264 of of Criminal Code provides that repeatedly communicating a person with the intention of harassing or threatening is punishable with an imprisonment of not less than 10 years. So, with this, I want to conclude, although there are laws against harassing phone calls, but a person can also tackle these issues in other ways. Not disclosing personal number and other contact details to strangers, random shops and social media can help in lessening the chances of harassments. Another way that most of the Indian women and girls resort to is hanging the call, blocking the number and marking it as spam. However, all such methods are only temporary and will not stop the harasser from repeating the offense on somebody else. This is highly recommended that such harasser must be reported at the earliest and strict legal action should be taken against them to prevent it in the future. Thank you so much.